Let me trim your claws. She won't let me trim her claws. Is that what you want? See, I closed the drain plug. Now the water's gonna start to build up. See? Is that what you want, Boogie Boo? You wanna wash your paws? You've been begging me for a bath yesterday. I didn't do it. I should. Yeah. My car's up on the lift in the garage. I don't like leaving it like that. I gotta finish this, and I'm stuck with one bolt. 2 full days. Could not get it out. So I got some new tools, and they won't work. So it's time to raise the motor. I'm supposed to raise the motor. Hell, I gotta raise the motor anyway, as soon as I get the bolt, because then I could pull them out, right? The motor won't raise. I did everything they said. Almost got. The max jack is flexing and looks like it's ready for a catastrophic failure, even though they guaranteed it's no problem with my '64 Lincoln. You'd need 3,000 plus more pounds to make that jack fail. Well, let me tell you, we're very scared, because when we started to lift up on the engine with the block of wood in between the corkscrew jack, the car left the pads. The engine wouldn't break free, and I took all the hardware off. It's just sitting there, supposedly. It must have a keyway, and the keyway must have rusted just enough to... I mean, I don't understand. It's been 7-8 years. The car sits inside. It does not sit outside. How could this shit be rust welded to the frame? Come on, I had the motor all rebuilt. They pulled that stuff all out of there. You know, and it looks nice and clean under there. So I don't understand why the motor won't come up. I even went as far to do the transmission mounts in the back. I pulled the bolts on that, still to no avail. It won't move. So I don't know. All right, honey, I'm gonna let that water go. Okay. Playing in the sink. Pussycat Mama. Tigress Marmalade Pussycat Mama. That is her hashtag on YouTube. Oh, and here's Pussycat Jody Stockwell, named after the great late lifelong friend of mine since kindergarten, all through high school and everything. Jody had a lot of cats, and she didn't have nothing like this. It was mostly white. All of her cats were all dark colors. She only had one of them that had some, you know, orange and blonde-like colors in it, you know. But the white, look at all the white. She didn't have a cat that had white like this. And plus her personality. I know Jody would have fell in love with her. So that's why I named her after Jody. Miss you, Jody. Alright. What's up, Tigress? This is Jody's mother. She's the matriarch, too, Tigress. Meow. And the air conditioners are cranking. It's about 79. Ooh, 79 degrees in here. A little warmer in here in the bathroom. It's good, man. It's in the 80s, I think. It's just the humidity is very low. Thank God. Temperatures have got about 10 degrees or so lower. Ooh. Alright, end the video.